Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews, and today we are reviewing the Blusmart Vacuum Food Saver Rolls. So you got one 22 by 300 cm, 28 by 300 cm, 20, and looks like another 28 by 300 cm. Now if you guys are not familiar, which you probably won't be, but first, if you're interested, you can find these in my video description. But I actually enjoy vacuum sealing and preserving food and different things. So I do a lot of vacuum sealing, and these rolls are going to really help me preserve a lot more food. Now you get a fair amount of bags with this, and what you have to understand is these rolls are designed to basically cut and match, so it's a full solid roll, and what you do is you heat up. Here, let's show you guys, give you guys an example here of what you would do with this. So go over on both sides here. So it's just a solid roll bag. So what you would do is you would find how big of a bag you need. So let's say we want a bag, roll this up, about that much bag. What you do is you use a utility knife, or if you have the Blusmart vacuum sealer, it actually comes with their own knife to cut this, which is so nice, and it has a slot where you can just simply put it on the machine, put this through the machine, and then you can automatically cut it, which is very nice. But once you cut it, you then heat the one side and seal the one side. Then you put your food in, or whatever you're vacuum sealing. Then you go ahead with the vacuum sealing process. I would show you guys and demonstrate it on my Blusmart vacuum sealer, but I actually have that wrapped as a gift to give to someone special, so I can't give too much details away in case she is watching, but needless to say, I will add a clip showing you guys how I did it. I already did a video showing everybody that Blusmart vacuum sealer, which is an amazing sealer, and I would just go over quickly and show you guys, but I can give these bags a 9 out of 10. I've used them in the past, and I will continue to keep using them. They are great bags and overall well worth it. Thank you guys for watching.